Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're here to guide you through the process of disabling video autoplay on X, specifically focusing on Twitter. Let's get started with the step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device to access your Twitter account. Step 2. Tap your profile picture situated at the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Setting and Support from the menu options. Step 4. Tap on Settings and Privacy to enter your account settings. Step 5. Navigate to Accessibility, Display, and Languages within the Settings menu. Step 6. Select Data Usage to manage your data settings. Step 7. Under the Video section, locate and tap on Video Autoplay. Step 8. Choose the Never option to disable video autoplay on Twitter. By following these detailed steps, you can take charge of your video autoplay settings on Twitter, ensuring a more personalized browsing experience tailored to your preferences. If you found this tutorial helpful and informative, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more insightful tech guides. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more tech tips in the future.